Hi, I'm PapaTone. Welcome to the Droid Workshop. Let's take a moment to talk about the first moment that I thought I might like to build a droid, and why. It all started for me back in 2015 at Star Wars Celebration in Orange County. Diddly-doo, 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 diddly-doo. It was right actually before, now that I think about it, The Force Awakens, because it was the first time we got to see the costumes and the props up close. And when we were standing outside that exhibition hall, waiting in the very long line, I was there with my friend Sean, who's also a fan, and somebody piloted a really amazing R2-D2 right past us. And I got excited. And I laughed in a way that I hadn't laughed in a long time. You know, I've always been somebody interested in creative pursuits of all different disciplines. But I think when I started to hit my 40s, I became more Captain Hook than Peter Pan. So I'm still in the play, but maybe I'm a little rougher around the edges, you know? Got some mileage on me. And when R2-D2 went driving by, I was laughing. I was just having a great time. And after the fact, I realized R2-D2 just makes me happy. Just seeing him makes me happy because he represents a lot of things, you know, my childhood and action figures, but also the spirit of the character, which is adventure, joy. You know, he's a good guy, and I like good guys. And I think that was probably where the germ of the idea started, because I saw so many people at that convention in the droid hall who had done it. And I started to get the idea, well, if those folks can do it, maybe I can. Well, we got this printer at Christmas, and this project was still not really on my mind in any meaningful way. And then it hit me, maybe I can give it a try. So I found Michael Baddeley's Patreon page, I started printing, and here we are. The reason I want to do it is because I would like to drive my droid by other people and give them the same kind of moment that I had. And if for any reason I don't make it to the end, that's all right. The pursuit of a thing is often more important than its completion, but I really do hope I get there with this thing because it's important to me. Putting a smile on people's faces. That's really, I think, my main mission in this life. So there you have it. If you're interested in printing a droid out, you can do it right in your own garage. Remember to like yourself as much as you can every day. Share your respect and kindness with everybody around you as often as possible, and subscribe to periodicals of note and fill your head with good, solid, empirical information. I'm PapaTone. Take care.